Newsbreak coming in right now. Home Minister Amit Shah has predicted BJP's win in Delhi. Home Minister Shah's big attack on the India bloc. He goes on to say, and I quote, India bloc is in shambles. After NDA's big bang Maharashtra win, the BJP is all set to replicate its performance in the national capital as well. So Amit Shah oozing with confidence as he makes this bold prediction. In fact, he goes on to say that the BJP sent traitor Uddhav home as well.
इंडी अलायंस की स्थिति क्या है? मुंबई में चुनाव आ रहा है, शिवसेना कांग्रेस से अलग लड़ने वाली है। दिल्ली में चुनाव आया, कांग्रेस और आप पार्टी अलग लड़ रहे हैं। बंगाल में तृणमूल कांग्रेस और आप पार्टी, तृणमूल कांग्रेस और कांग्रेस अलग पड़े हैं। बिहार में लालू भी छटपटा रहे हैं। पूरा इंडी अलायंस एक घमंडिया गठबंधन वेर विखेर होने की शुरुआत हुई है। और महाराष्ट्र वालों, आज मैं कहकर जाता हूं, 8 तारीख को पटाखे तैयार रखना। दिल्ली में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनने वाली।
Ritwik Balekar, my colleague, is joining me for more on this story. Ritwik, a fresh attack coming from Home Minister Amit Shah, reminding people of Delhi and passing a message, in fact, all across as well, that the BJP is going to replicate its performance and also rubbing salt into the wounds of the India bloc, that it could not do much in Maharashtra, and looking at the situation in Delhi, it is a win-win situation for the BJP.
Absolutely infused with a lot of enthusiasm. We saw Amit Shah addressing the party workers today in Shirdi in a 2-day conclave organized of BJP after landslide victory, which BJP achieved in recently held Maharashtra assembly polls. Basically, he was addressing all the party workers for the victory which they've got, but at the same time, he was also trying to gear them up for the upcoming local body polls in Maharashtra, which is considered as mini Vidhan Sabha. But at the same time, he was trying to tell them how India alliance is in shackles, and the beginning of it has been marked with Maharashtra's victory, and this episode of winning with huge margin and decisive mandate is going to continue not only in Maharashtra but also in Delhi assembly polls.
Thank you, Ritwik, for sharing all those details.